adding audio to our new Halloween reels. So let me just do for this one. I think Ghostbusters would go well with here. I'll just drop it in this one. Far too long a soundtrack. So now I need to go to the end and edit it back. Oh, it will be so much better with music. See, Ghostbusters is that one. Let's play these. Let's do this one here. Again, need to shrink it down just so I got what I need. And these will be on sale soon. As you can see, there's some promotional ones. There's some special offers that you can just edit. They will be premium, but I love it when you've done them. What should we do? What should we add now? That's good. Ghostbusters. Ooh, good one. Like that one. To there. And then just take out what I need of it. Bloody thing. Just found one called Dancing Scarecrow, which seems good. This looks like a good one for this first one. You need to take that down. If you're adding your own audio, this is how you do it. Line it up. So this is what we've got so far. I'll keep going here and I'll upload this for fun.